Are you curious about how large-scale sow farms enhance production efficiency through batch management? Today, we'll delve into the core principles and implementation methods of batch management in pig farms. First, what is batch management? In simple terms, batch management refers to dividing sows into different batches based on their production cycles, thus achieving precise control of production and efficient use of resources. So, what are the core principles and methods of batch management? We can analyze them from the following aspects. The production cycle of a sow can be divided into pregnancy, farrowing, lactation, and weaning periods. Batch management groups sows according to these different physiological stages, ensuring that all sows within the same batch are in the same physiological state, which makes management more uniform and efficient. Another key aspect of batch management is precise breeding scheduling. By strictly controlling the breeding time, we ensure that each batch of sows has a consistent pregnancy cycle, avoiding production imbalances caused by staggered farrowing times across batches. At the same time, batch management requires supporting hardware facilities, automated feeding systems, environmental control devices, and other intelligent pig farming equipment need to be optimized based on the needs of different batches of sows, adjusting the environment and feeding accordingly. With batch management, the weaning and rebreeding cycles of sows can remain highly consistent, ensuring that each batch of sows is bred and weaned on time. This not only improves production continuity, but also reduces production fluctuations caused by uneven farrowing at any given time. Of course, another important advantage of batch management is the reduced risk of disease transmission. Since sows in each batch are in the same physiological state, the farm can better carry out targeted vaccinations and health management, preventing cross-infection between different pig groups. Each batch of sows is raised separately, avoiding cross-contamination between pigs at different production stages, and reducing the risk of outbreaks. Through batch management, sow farms can significantly increase production efficiency, lower operational costs, and improve overall economic benefits. Moreover, by ensuring precise management and efficient resource utilization, sow farms can achieve higher pig survival rates, reducing unnecessary waste and losses. Follow us for more pig farming knowledge.